we divide 970 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 0 and it is 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 970 divided by 5 is 194. So this much for today and thanks for watching.